How to log in Delta Airlines employee account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in into your Delta Airlines employee account. So now without further ado, let's get started. So open the Google Chrome or any other web browser you prefer, and in the search bar, type Delta Airlines employee login and simply press enter, and you will see a list of results. Simply click on the first link that appears, and this will take you to the official login page for Delta Airlines employees. On this page, you will need to enter your login credentials. First, input your Delta username or PPR, and once you're done with that, simply enter your password. And if you are having trouble signing in, you can simply click on support link for assistance. And once you have double checked and confirmed that your details are correct, you can simply click on sign in. And after that, you will be logged into your account. And that's it. It's really that simple. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.